Welcome to Sitaram International School. We create confident kids. Hello, dears. Yes, I am Anto Rosita. I am going to take Max class. In this session is FA3 revision. Okay, so I hope you are all safe very well and be happy forever. And you should obey your parents' words. Okay, yes. Now we are going to discuss about three sessions. Okay, the max recall session. See, okay, and I hope you are doing the breathing exercise in daily. Okay, in before starting this session, we should do the breathing exercise. Okay, so please sit properly on position. Close your eyes. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Don't open your eyes. Okay, so breathe in. Breathe out. Yeah, you should do to 10 minutes. Okay, this is enough for you. Okay, now let's we start in this session. See, in this lesson objectives are first one is mensuration. There are two types having a mensuration. Okay, that is area and perimeter. Next one thing is fraction. Here we have used some word problems. Okay, so see, what is mensuration? See, the branch of geometry that deals with the measurement of length, area and volume. Okay, so here we can use some shapes like square, rectangle, circle, triangle and some polygon shapes. Okay, so here we have to measure the length, breadth, width, height, area and volume and uh, perimeter and circumference. So lots of things we are going to discuss about in this sessions. Okay, so see, next one thing is area and perimeter. We already know about what is area and perimeter. So what is area? I will explain using a diagram. Okay, so see this. Now I want to draw one square. If the measurement of the space inside the shape, okay, the inside the shape is called area. Okay, now I take again one square. Here the measurement of this space around a shape is called perimeter. Okay, the inside is area and around it is called a perimeter. So see, next the formulas for area. Area of the square which is equal to side into side. Okay, so then area of the rectangle L into B. Then area of the triangle is half BH. Okay, see, next one thing is formulas for perimeter. Perimeter of the square which is equal to 4 into side. Then perimeter of the rectangle is equal to 2 into L plus B. Then perimeter of the equilateral rectangle, perimeter of the equilateral triangle, not a rectangle, here is a triangle. Okay, so 3 into length of a side. Then perimeter of the regular pentagon, 5 into length of a side, because the equilateral triangle means it has three sides, three equal sides, so we have to use the formula of 3 into length of a side. And also the regular pentagon. What is regular pentagon? If we define the regular polygon shapes, the all sides are equal. Like if I take a regular pentagon, hexagon, octagon, nonagon, heptagon, whatever, both sides are equal. Okay, Okay, so when all sides are equal, it will be called as a regular polygon shape. It will be considered as a pentagon. Okay, so now after that, perimeter of the regular hexagon. How many sides? It has six sides. Okay, so 6 into length of a side. If I take a regular nanogon, means the nanogon has 9 sides. Okay, so 9 into length of a side. Okay, like this we can use a heptagon and a octagon. Okay, so then formulas for area of the parallelogram. Parallelogram, b into h. Okay, so then area of the circle is pi r square unit. Then circumference of a circle, it will be 2 pi r. If they give a value of diameter, we can use the formula for pi d. Okay, and one more thing, the area is expressed in the unit of square unit. Okay, when we find out the area, we should put the answer with square unit term. Okay, but when we find out the perimeter, we won't put the square unit. Here we can use only the unit. It will be a meter or centimeter, whatever. Okay, but the area square unit, the perimeter the units only. So now let us see the some questions for to find out the area, volume, perimeter, circumference, and whatever. Okay, see the first one thing. Find the area of the triangle whose b is 4 centimeter and h is 2 centimeter. Okay, so here what they give, b equal to 4 centimeter, then h equal to 2 centimeter. So what is the formula of area of the triangle? Half into b into h. Okay, so here half into 4 into 2. Okay, so 1 2 is 2, 1 2 is 2, so the remaining is 4 centimeter. And here they gave to find out area. Okay, so centimeter square. So next one, the question is 2. The area of the triangle is 36 centimeter square and the height is 3 centimeter. So find the breadth. Okay, here they gave the value of area of the triangle, that is 36 centimeter square. Okay, and also the height, they gave the value of height, that is 3 centimeter. So now we are going to find out and calculate the value of breadth. Okay, so see area of the triangle, that is half into b into h. Okay, so the value of area is 36 equal to half into b into h. So the value of h is 3. So next one, 36 half into b into 3. Okay, so here the b is, see the b is in a division, multiplication term. Okay, now we just find out the value of b. So the remaining terms comes to opposite side, means it will be comes to the opposite sign. Okay, if the term is plus, means it will be comes to opposite side to minus. Minus means it will be comes to opposite side plus. If the term is multiplication, it will be comes to opposite side division. Okay, so it is a division, it will be comes to opposite side multiplication. Okay, so here the base comes to multiplication term, so the base comes to here, and the 3 and half also comes to multiplication term, so it will be comes to opposite side, means it is comes to division. Okay, so the 2 is, the 2 already is a division term, so it will be goes to opposite side to multiplication. So the 3 is already here multiplication, so it will be comes to opposite side division. Okay, so see b, then the 3 is comes to opposite side to division, so 2 is goes to multiplication, so 36 into 2 divided by 2, so 3 1 is 3, 12, 3s are 36. Okay, so the remaining is 12 into 2, that is 24 centimeter. That is the value of breadth. So see the question number 3. Find the perimeter of the equilateral triangle whose side is 5 centimeter. Okay, so they gave the value of side. So now we are going to find out the perimeter of the equilateral triangle. So what is equilateral triangle? The three sides are same. Okay, so when the three sides are equal, then it will be called as a equilateral triangle. So what is the formula? 3 into length of a side. Okay, so 3 into the side value is 5. So the answer is 3 5s are 15. See next one, the fourth question. So find the perimeter of the regular pentagon with each side measuring 3 centimeter. Okay, so the side value is 3. So the regular pentagon means the pentagon has 5 sides. So 5 sides are equal. Okay, so 5 into length of a side. Okay, so 5 3s are 15. Next one, the question number 5. Find the distance traveled by Shaina if she takes the 3 rounds of a square park side 70 meter. Okay, so here which shapes they give to here, that is square. Okay, so square. Okay, square. See the side value is 70 meter. So all sides are 70 meter, right? So here also 70, here also 70. Okay, so the distance traveled by Shaina if she takes 3 rounds of a square. Okay, so if we want to round the square park means we don't use the inside. Okay, we use the outside. So we use the around it means which one we want to find out, area or perimeter. Around means perimeter. So we should find out the perimeter of a square, that is 4 into side. Okay, so 4 into 70 meter, that is 280 meter. So 4 into 70, that is 4 sevens are 28. So the 0 is comes to here. So 280 meter. Okay, so one round is 280 meter means there are 3 rounds. She takes 3 rounds. Okay, so 3 into 280 meter, that is 840 meter. Okay. See the next question, that is word problems of fraction. So Raj ate 3 by 5 of cake and Ravi ate 1 by 3 of cake. Who ate the larger piece of cake? Okay, here they gave two wait. So here Raj ate Raj and Ravi. They gave two names. Okay, so Raj ate 3 by 5 and Ravi ate 1 by 3. So who ate the larger piece of cake? Okay, so here we should find out the difference between both of them. Okay, so see, if we want to find out the difference means we should difference means it will be called a subtraction. Okay, if we subtract the two fractions, we should find out, we should check the denominators are same or 3. Okay, so here the 5 and 3, so the both of them different. After that what we do, we should find out the LCM. So here the LCM is 15. Okay, so after the next step is to change the denominator as 15. Okay, so 3 5s are 3 by 5 into 3 by 3, that is 9 by 15. So if you want to change the denominator 3 as 15 means we should multiply 3 and 5. So 5 by 15. After that 9 by 15 and 5 by 15. So we get 4 by 15. So then Sri had 120 teddy bears in his toy store. He sold 2 by 3 of them at rupees 12 each. How much did he revise? Sri had 120 teddy bears, right? He sold how many of them? 2 by 3. So 2 by 3 of 120. Okay. So 120 into 2 by 3. Here I just multiply 120 2 divided 2, after that 2 divided 3. Okay, but I now I here I use one another method. 120 into 3 2. Okay, so here divided by 3. So 1 3 is 3, 4 threes are 12, and the 0. So 4 into 2 8, so 80. So the answer is same. Then he sold 2 by 3 of them at how much rupees? That is 12 rupees. So 80 teddy bears, how much? So 80 into 12, 960 rupees. Okay. So next one, Larian packed 250 chocolates cookies. She denoted 3 by 5 of them to the organization and gave 3 by 4 of the remainder to her sister. Then how many cookies were left to her? Okay, here they gave total chocolates, that is 250, and she denoted to the organization the fraction is 3 by 4. After that he gave to her sister the fraction is 3 by 4. So now we just find out how many cookies were left to her. Okay, so the packed chocolates are 250. Okay, so that is enough. After that, how much amount of chocolates she donate to the organization? Yes, 3 by 5. So 3 by 5 of 250. Okay, so now here we can get the 1 5 is 5, 5 5s are 15, so 50 into 3, 150. Okay, so this is, so next after that we should calculate the remainder. Okay, then only we can find out the how much amount of chocolates to give to her sister. Okay, so the remainder is 250 minus 150, that is 100. Then gave to this sister, so 100. So here 3 by 4 of fraction to gave to her sister. Okay, so 100 into 3 by 4. Okay, so equal to 75. So what is the how many chocolates are remainder? So 100 minus 75, it is equal to 25. So then Leela read 25 pages of a book containing 100 pages. Lalita read 2 by 5 of the same book. Who read less? So here Leela read 25 pages. So how many pages are total? 100. Okay, so Leela read 25 pages of 100 pages. Okay, so then Lalita read 2 by 5 of the pages. This is the same book, not a very different. This is the same book. So 2 by 5 of 100. Okay, so then 1 5 is 5, 25s are 100. So 2 into 20, that is 40 pages. Next one, we are going to find out the see the parallelogram. Okay, so see the question. One of a side and the height of a parallelogram are 4 centimeter and 3 centimeter. So here they gave first one thing is side, then height. So we should take the side is 4 centimeter and the height is 3 centimeter. You should check, make sure the order. Okay, so the side is 4 and the height is 3 centimeter. Then area of the parallelogram, what is the formula? That is B into H. Here to find out the area. Okay, that's why we should put here the square unit. Okay, so the unit is centimeter. Okay, so B into H, so 4 3s are 12. So what is the unit? Centimeter. The area here square, so 12 centimeter square. So the area of the parallelogram is 24 centimeter squared and the base is 4 centimeter. Find the height of a parallelogram. Okay, they gave the area, the value of area of the parallelogram, that is 24 centimeter square. Okay, so the base is 4 centimeter. So which one you want to find out? Height. Okay, so what is the formula of the area of the parallelogram? B into h square unit. Okay, so here the left hand side we should write the value of the area. So after that we should put the value of b and h. We don't know the value of h, we know only the value of 4. So h and 4, they both of them are be in multiplication term. So now we are going to find out the value of h. So the 4 is comes to opposite side to division. Okay, so who is the friend of multiplication? That is division. Okay, so 1 4 is 4, 6 4s are 24. So h equal to 6 centimeter. Here we shall we put the square here? No. Why? Because here we could find out the value of height, not area. Okay, that's why we put only the unit. Okay, so see, find the area of a circle of radius 30 centimeter. Here we should use the value of pi is 3.14. The pi values, two types of values. One is 22 by 7 and one more thing is 3.14. The 3.14 is nothing but if we divided 22 and 7 means we can get the 3.14. Okay, then see the radius, that is 30 centimeter. The area of this circle is pi r squared. So the value of pi is 3.14 and into the radius is 30 into 30. Okay, so 3.14 into 3 3s are 9, there are 2 zeros, so 900. So the answer, if we multiply 900 and 3.14, we can get 2826 centimeters square. Here is the area, so we can put the square term. Then find the circumference of a circle of radius 14 centimeter. Here they gave the value of pi equal to 22 by 7. So what is the solution? So radius is 14 centimeter, circumference of a circle 2 pi r. So shall we put a square term here? No. Okay, so circumference of a circle, that is 2 pi r. So 2 into the pi value is 22 by 7 into 14. Okay, here 2 into 22 by 7 into 14. Okay, so after that we can write it 2 into 22 into 14 divided by 7. Okay, here the 7 is odd number, the 2 and 22 and 14 is an even number. Okay, so 1 4 is 4, 2 4s are 2 7s are 14. So the remaining 2 2s are 4 and 4 into 22, that is 88 centimeter. Okay, so see, next one thing, the adjoining figure shows two circles with the same center. Then the radius of the largest circle is 10 centimeter and the radius of the smaller circle is 4 centimeter. To find the area of the larger circle and find the area of the smaller circle. Then find the shaded area between the two circles. Okay, see the circle. Here they gave the two radius values. The small circle is 4, the big circle is 10. Okay, so now let us find out the radius of the larger circle. The area of the larger circle. What is the formula of area of the circle? That is pi r squared. Here we can take the pi value is 3.14. So then into r square means 10 into 10. Okay, so after that we can get 314 centimeter square. Okay, so then radius of a smaller circle, that is 4 centimeter, and again we can use the same formula pi r squared. So 3.14 into 4 into 4. After multiplying these three numbers, we can get 50.24 centimeter square. Okay, so then area of the shaded part. Okay, so after find out the area of the larger circle and the area of the smaller circle, we should subtract both of them. So large, subtract smaller from the larger. Okay, so 314 minus 20.24. So after that we can get 263.76 centimeter square. Okay, so see the next one. A rectangular park is 45-meter long and 30-meter wide. A path 2.5-meter wide is constructed outside the park. Find the area of the path. Okay. So let us use rectangular park. Okay. So this is a rectangular. You just so rectangular park. This is a 45-meter long and 30-meter wide. Okay, so after that a path 2.5-meter constructed outside. Okay, so they make one path outside. The wide is 2 point, see this wide is 2.5 and this wide also 2.5. So if the here they make outside the park, okay, not a inside. So the rectangular park will be increased, not a decreased. If they make a path inside of the park means this the circle, sorry, the rectangular is decreased. Okay, so here the outside they make a path outside. So see the clear pic. A, B, C, D is this is a smaller rectangle, and PQRS, this is called a larger rectangle. Okay, so C, PQ and PS. So we should add, because they make a path outside. Okay, so we should add the 2.5 plus 2.5 with PQ and PS. I mean PS means the enlarge the rectangle, that is outside rectangle. Okay, so 45 plus 2.5 plus 2.5, which is equal to 50 meter. Then 30 plus 2.5 plus 2.5, 35 meter. Okay, so area of the rectangle ABCD, that is L into B equal to 45 into 30. So after multiplying these two numbers we can get 1350 meter square. Here not a centimeter, here is a meter squared. Then area of the rectangle PQRS, which is equal to L into B. So which are the numbers we can get here? That is 50 plus 35. So we can get 1750 meter square. Okay, so then area of the path, area of the rectangle PQRS minus area of the rectangle ABCD, because if we find out the area of larger rectangle and the smaller rectangle, we should find out the difference between if we want to find out the area of the path means we should find out the we should subtract the values of areas. Okay, so the larger rectangle 1750, so minus the smaller rectangle 1350, so we can get 400 meter square. Okay, so see, and one more thing, do you know why we add 2.5, I mean 2 times? Yeah, I will explain here. Here this is 45 and 30. Okay, so both side they extend the path value. Okay, so here, so the length is the length will be increased and the breadth also will be increased. So which how many points they were increased to make the path to outside? 2.5. So here is a 2 point and here is a 2 point, means we should add 2 times 2.5 with the length value. So after that, similarly we should Add the 2.5 the breadth side also. So 2 times add length and breadth. Okay, so that's why we can get the 50 and the 35. Okay, here the 50 and 35. Okay, so and I hope you are all understand very well, and may I wish to you to do the FA3 exam with successfully. Okay, so prepare the exam very well, and each and every exams are very useful and important to yourself and your higher studies. So please prepare well. Okay, thank you, dears.